In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachment in Adobe Acrobat. We'll walk through attaching a file directly to a PDF so it travels with the document. This is useful for including source spreadsheets, images, or supporting documents without sending multiple files. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. In the upper left corner, click the main menu and choose Open. In the file picker, navigate to the PDF you want to work with, select it, and click Open to load it in Acrobat. With the PDF open, look toward the toolbar for the commenting tools. Select Add Comment to reveal the full set of annotation options. Among those tools, click Attach File. It's the option represented by a paperclip. As soon as you choose it, your cursor turns into a paperclip, indicating you're in attachment mode. Move that paperclip cursor to the exact spot in your PDF where you want the attachment marker to appear. This could be near a relevant paragraph, table, or image so readers immediately understand the context. Place it on the page by positioning it carefully. Think of it as dropping a pin on a map so the connection is obvious. When you place the marker, Acrobat opens a file selection window. Browse to the file you want to attach, select it, and click Open. Acrobat embeds that file into the PDF at the spot you chose. You'll see a small paperclip icon on the page. Hover your mouse over that icon to confirm the attachment. The file's title will pop up so you know you attached the correct item. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Choose a clear placement so readers won't miss it, and use descriptive file names that signal what's inside. Keep in mind that attaching large files can increase your PDF size. If you're sharing the PDF with others, let them know there's an embedded attachment and that they can hover over the paperclip to identify it or double-click the icon to open it in Acrobat-compatible viewers. If you encounter any restrictions, the PDF might be secured or have limited permissions, which can block attachments. In those cases, the document may need its permissions updated by whoever controls it. That's the entire process. Open your PDF, access the comment tools, choose Attach File, place the paperclip where it belongs, pick your file, and confirm by hovering over the icon. It's a fast, reliable way to keep related materials bundled right inside your PDF for easy reference and professional presentation.